everybody, it is your favorite girl, Tyler Nicole Taylor, TNT, if you love me, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today, we're gonna get ourselves together. I come to you already the final result because the way I was feeling earlier today just really, I didn't like it, and I didn't want to start the video off looking like that. I have not done a full beat in I don't even know how long. It's been a long time since I actually put foundation, concealer, contoured, and all that. I haven't done that in so long. So I decided, for no reason whatsoever, that today is the day that I want to do that. I've been feeling a little blah. I feel like I've been looking very blah. And I just wanted to not feel or look like that again. So here we are. This ended up being great timing because I honestly realized that I have never done a dedicated get ready with me. So hopefully you like it. I don't know. I feel like some people in IRL and on the internet have asked me what my makeup routine is like or what products I use and stuff like that. So I figured, you know what? It's time to do a dedicated video and answer some of those questions. Granted, I don't have a whole lot of people following me right now, so it's not a lot of people asking, but it's enough. That's what today is all about. We're just gonna get cute. We're gonna look like something so we can feel like something. For my hair, I did go in with this little, what is this? You know, the heatless curls thing? I got this on Amazon. I went in with that and, well, not went in with that. I did that last night and then I just took it out and, got these curls. Now that I gave you the skinny on my hair, let's go ahead and get this out the way and get this makeup started. First, we're going to go ahead and go in with our primer. I absolutely love this one size primer. It really does secure the sweat. This is my second time using this Plump Shot by Buxom, and so far, I think I like it. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner. It never fails me. Next, we go in with this Kat Von D Full Coverage Concealer. This is my complexion, so I am in tan 167. While my concealer sits on my face and kind of dries down, I go in with this Thick It Stick It from NYX, and this is in the color Espresso. I like to use this NYX micro brow pencil to kind of line my brows and just kind of shape them. I also use it to make little hair strokes in the front as well. This brow glue by NYX is my absolute favorite thing to use on my brows. Even if I don't put any color on it, I will use this just to shape my brows, just so I can look like something that day. But this right here is a must, and it's in the color Clear. Now that my concealer has dried down a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and just spread it underneath my eyes. I don't color correct with an orange color corrector anymore. I just go in with a concealer that is my complexion. Oftentimes too, when I'm just doing just the concealer routine, I'll just put this underneath my eyes and call it a day, and it works out perfectly. Okay, so I'm just using the spoolie on the micro brow pencil and just kind of getting my brows into shape. I did let them kind of sit for a little bit with the clear brow glue on, and now I'm really putting them in place. And once I put them in place, they are not going to move. I found this Black Radiance contour palette in like a Ross or a Marshalls or something like that, and this was the only like color they had, so I just had to go with it. I got this a while back, so I still use it. The darkest shade was shredded, as you saw, but I never used it anyway, so it's totally fine. I always use that middle complexion. Keep in mind, we are doing a full beat today, so that's why I'm doing this whole contour routine here. This is just how I do it. I don't know if there's a right or wrong way. This is just my way. And we will also be using a lot of products that you can find at your convenience store. So these are easy to find products. Also, I really prefer powder contour. I don't know, I just feel like I can control it better. I've tried cream and it just doesn't work out for me. I don't know what that's all about. Okay, crazy check, because if I ain't looking crazy, it ain't right. This was my holy grail foundation. I freaking love this formula, and I forgot how much I really like this. It just goes on beautifully, and it really does blend in and fit my complexion. I mean, look at the material. Okay, this concealer that you see right here is my highlight concealer, and when you see it in the tube, it is definitely going to be like, girl, where did you get that bright ass concealer from? And I actually got it from my cousin. She sells this product, and you will not believe it, but it literally does blend in. I actually have to put on a couple of layers in order for it to kind of like pop. You're gonna see this little fan a couple of times, and you can find it on my Amazon storefront if you are curious. Don't ask me where I got my brushes from. They're all a hodgepodge of things, okay? I got that one from It Cosmetics, but the other ones, girl, who knows? I had to move my light just so that I can make sure that my light concealer was actually doing what light concealers are supposed to do and show up. So that's why the lighting changed here. One size coming through yet again with this powder. I absolutely love this powder. I used to just put it on my highlight areas, but now I low-key kind of put it everywhere because I really do feel like it blurs out my makeup and my pores, and it just makes everything look so soft. And I feel like it also really helps lock stuff in place. This Make It Last by Milani. This is a setting spray, but it really feels like a mist. And I just put this on after my powder to kind of lock everything in place yet again. Like, that is the goal, is for stuff not to move. Next is my liquid blush by e.l.f. I always put this on before I do my powder. And yes, that little teeny dot, baby girl, that is all you need. You do not need any more than that, because watch what it does. Granted, this blush brush is a little dirty. I'm not gonna hold you, but you have to move that thing around and get that liquid blended really well. And yeah, it's going to be very pronounced on your skin. This is in the complexion, or the color, coming in hot pink. When I say liquid blush before powder, this is the powder I'm talking about. I like to go in on top of my liquid foundation with my powder foundation. I don't know, for me, it just gives everything I needed to give. I've been doing my makeup like this for years, and it has yet to fail me. As expected, our powder foundation obviously kind of muted our liquid blush. So we're gonna go in with this baked powder blush from Milani. This is an OG. I used to use this back in the day. Circling back to our contour palette, we are going to use the highlight in there. It's kind of like bronzy, but also kind of golden. I don't know, gold tones always look good on my skin complexion. So that's usually what I gravitate towards when it comes to highlight. Let me tell you how I found this in a TJ Maxx. I don't even remember how much it was, but I knew I was running out of my Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, so I had to re-up on something that was not as expensive, and this was there. So I was like, girl, let me try it. And I don't think I've ever tried this brand before, but I have to say, I really liked it. Anybody else always mess up their left eye? Like, girl. Okay, full disclosure, that is actually an eyeliner pencil that I'm using. But you see how my lips are like plump and popping, especially around the lip line? It's never like that naturally, and that's why I say I really think I like the Buxom lip plumper, because I put it on my lip line and it makes it pop and makes it easier for me to find my lip line, so I can kind of like slightly overline it. Cause you know, that gives tea. This lip combo got a little chaotic, and that's just because I never really know what I want to do when it comes to my lip color. I'm so used to doing like nudie colors, and sometimes it gets kind of boring and I want to spice it up, but then I go too far. So yeah, this got a little chaotic, but just bear with me. Okay, time to clean up our mess. We just put a little concealer up there just to kind of conceal where we got a little crazy. Okay, confession. I absolutely hated this lip combination. I was just putting stuff on, but I'm going to tell you what that stuff was. Here goes. Wet n Wild Sienna Brown eyeliner, Beauty Bakery I Nude It, Sweet Buns, and Really Dope. This is only my second time using this Buxom mascara. I believe this is in the Blackest Black. As you see, I had to pump the brakes because the star of the show has to do her thing. This On Till Dawn setting spray by One Size, all I'm gonna say is, if you know, you know. Now back to this mascara. I only put it on the bottom lashes because I actually put some cluster lashes on before I did my makeup. Now I shouldn't have to tell you, but I'm going ahead and using this Style Factor Edge Control to get these edges together. We're not doing full-on baby hairs, but we are trying to secure the edges. It's something about just making sure that part looks good that makes the whole hairstyle come together. And bloop, just like that. She is feeling herself. Look at her. Look at her go. I am going to change my earrings though, because them little studs, I don't know, it just needed a little more of a statement. But all in all, I feel 100 times better. And sometimes, girl, you just need to get cute for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. And if you ain't already, go ahead and subscribe, boo. Talk to y'all later. Love y'all.